If you can see, the first view is the grid view. Okay. By default, it is going to be the default view in Smartsheet. What does this mean? Every time you would be opening a sheet for the first time, right? This is how the grid view would be selected by default. Okay. It is great for data entry, tracking your tasks, organizing information, and so on. In the grid view, you get a variety of customizable columns and rows. You can also add attachments, links, images, comments to individual cells as well as at a row level. And also, it gives you the facility to add it on a sheet level. Filters, sorting, options, and conditional formatting are also provided. So I would be taking you to the live UI now for making it better for you to understand. Okay. All right. So if you can see, this is how a Smartsheet sheet looks like. I have some already sample data created to make you understand better. You can see this is where we can see which view has been selected. So by default, it is a grid view. We get n number of columns here, and I would show you what different types of columns Smartsheet offers us. Depending on your requirement, you can select a text number column simply, drop down list maybe in case if you have more than one option, then date column in case if you feel like recording dates, duration, contact list when you have to have an email address or name of a person, right? Checkbox columns in to ensure that whether the true or false conditions are being met or not, then symbols, auto number, and so on. These last five columns are going to be the system defined columns. For example, if you enable them in your sheet, right? If you can see, I have them created already. So the moment an entry comes to your sheet, it will record who has created it and at which date did it get created. Okay. And same goes with modified by. So for example, the last time who has modified it and the modified date. As you can see, we get the filtering option here as well, so that you can just filter out your data to look very simple and the relevant data you want to have a look on. Okay. Then the beautiful conditional formatting options where you can add colors to your sheet. This is very important, because sometimes just by seeing the colors, we get to know, okay, yeah, this is one where I have to focus more. For example, I will like share this priority column. I just wanted to see which one is in my high priority, and I enabled a light shade of red to, highlight it for me. Similarly, at row level, you can see we have the option of adding attachments. You can go and add comments. And all you have to do is, in case, let's say you want to leave a comment for somebody, just use the sign and add their name, and you can add your comment, like anything. I will use this for testing purpose. The moment you hit enter, they would be receiving an email on Outlook. So they would get to know, oh yes, Neha has sent me this message. And if they wish to reply me, they can do it right from then and there from the Outlook. They don't have to log into Smartsheet and come here, which is going to save a lot of time of ours, right? This is a very useful feature. And you can do it at sheet level as well as the row levels. So for example, currently you can see row is selected here. The moment you will select sheet, you can add the conversations or attachments at sheet level as well to just have a summarized overview, right? Okay, so this is all about the grid view. Do let me know how did you like it. Let me know your thoughts on this.